So this is a Caffein8 X1 Mia. I'm going to show you how to do the proper cleaning on this machine. Step 1, the best way to remember this is with the acronym FREE. Fill, rinse, empty, and enjoy. What do you have to fill? You have to fill the beans, you have to fill the powders on the inside, and in this machine it's a cocoa powder. Use the key to open it up, and on the inside is chocolate powder that you can take out of the machine and refill, put back, and make sure that the nozzle is faced in the right direction when taking it out and when putting it in. The other thing you can fill is the milk. So this uses fresh milk, this machine. So you just open the refrigerator, and if you have an empty milk, just replace it. Take the little nozzle out and put the new one in. Okay, what's next? Rinse. There are 2 different types of rinses that you will be doing. Every morning and every lunch shift. After lunch. The first rinse is on the inside of the machine. There is a remote titled A, B, C, and D. A and B stand for up and down, C stands for menu, and D stands for enter. What you're going to do is click the letter B. When you click the letter B, for example, the machine will start to rinse the mixing bowl with hot water. Cleaning it out, you do that once a day. That is one of the rinses that you must do. The other rinse is a deep cleaning. The deep cleaning you're going to do in the morning and after lunch. In order to do the deep cleaning, you first need to take the milk out of the fridge. So let's close this up, go into the milk refrigerator, take the milk out. This hose, this nozzle, needs to go into this blue bin, the smaller one. Move the milk aside for a second. Then, open up the machine. You're going to click the menu button, which is C. And that's going to create a message on the front of the unit. You're going to wait until that message says either out of order or 030 test machine. If it says 030 test machine, that's what we want. Press D, which is the enter button. Okay, now we need to use the A and B button, the up and down arrows, to find fresh milk clean. Got it. Press D to enter. Press D again. It's going to start the rinse. All right, you don't really have to do anything at this point. What it is doing is it's taking the nozzle that we just put in that blue bin and rinsing it and putting excess into that blue bin that we need to dump. Okay, so let's open up the fridge and dump the excess rinsed water. While I'm about to rinse, I'm going to take this small blue bin and swap it for the big blue bin.
What?
And put the nozzle back in and close up the refrigerator. Then you need to put your solution into the blue bin. So open up the solution. You want to push the water so it gets halfway into this little area here, and then pour that into the blue bin. Okay, now we're ready to rinse. Close that back up and press D. Now the machine's going to do a deep cleaning for the next 10 minutes. This machine will sometimes do a second 10-minute deep cleaning. This machine is smart, so it will clean as much as it is as needed. So it'll either do 1 round or 2, sometimes 3. What you can do while you wait is dump the bin that holds the pucks of coffee. So this is where we get back to that acronym of FREE. Fill, rinse, empty, enjoy. Now we're on empty, and we're going to empty those pucks that were previously used. When I say pucks, I mean the coffee grinds. Open this up, you just kind of pull, and the pucks go into this bin. Just dump that into your compost bin, put it back, and put this right back into the machine. Now we press D, and it continues the clean. And that's how you clean your Caffein8 Percol8 Mia. For more tips, please follow us on social. And if you have questions, please reach out to our office and our service department at 718-313-0113. Stay caffeinated.